Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. So, today in our class, we are going to see the writing skill. Okay. So, there are different types of skills. We call it as LSRW skills. You know what is this LSRW skills? L, listening. S, speaking. R, reading. W, writing. There, in this LSRW skills, today we are going to see the writing skill. Okay, in writing, there are different kinds of writings. Okay, so in that, we are going to see the advertisement. In the writing skill, the advertisement we are going to see. At first, let me tell you what is this advertisement. An advertisement is an audio or visual form of marketing communication to promote or sell a product, service, or idea. To sell a product, okay, so to reach the product should reach the people. For that, we will advertise. Okay, when you are creating an advertisement, writing an advertisement, what are the steps to be followed? That is what I am going to teach in today's class. Okay, so now an advertisement should include the following to make it attractive. An advertisement should be attractive. Why? Because it should attract the people. It should, the content what you are going to communicate with the people should reach them. For that, the writings, the advertisement you are making should be very attractive. Okay, so what are the things is needed and what is the pattern to be followed to make an advertisement attractive is what we are going to see now. First one, in an advertisement, the name of the product, brand, or outlet should be given. Name of the product. For what product you are going to advertise, it should be necessary. Okay. So then, address with contact information and websites. Advertisement should have an address with contact. It will be in the down lower part. Okay, so you will be mostly draw an advertisement in a square box, okay, or a rectangular box you will be writing. So there, the down to that you will be writing address with contact information and websites. Appealing images of the product, service, idea to be advertised. That means for about what, which product you are advertising, a related picture should be drawn in that. Okay, so the name of the product should be given and also down to that you should write the address for contact or website address you should give there, and also you have to draw a picture related to the product. Okay, that is the third thing. Then target demographics, audience and customers. So the target whom you are targeting, that should be highlighted. See, if you are advertising a product, maybe stationery items like a book, pen, pencil, your audience, the target audience is the students. Okay, so they should be highlighted. That is a target demographics, audience, customers whom you are targeting. Okay, so common people or only the students, okay, whom you are targeting, that one you should highlight it. Then feel good discount and offers. Okay, so in the advertisement you should give attractive things. What is which will attract mostly? If you are giving any offer, gift box, or any discounts, if you are giving, it will be attracted by the people soon. So you have to give some discount, 10% discount or 50% discount. Okay, how much you are giving, that can be mentioned there. Okay, discount. Then colorful background. Okay, so how you have to make it more attractive, so that advertisement should be colorful and readable text. See, the name of the shop, okay, for or the product, for what you are advertising should be highlighted. So that should be in somewhat in that big size. Okay, the font size should be big. than the details you are giving inside. Okay, that is the readable text. So while they are usually where you will paste the advertisement in the walls, you will paste here, and there is that type of paper. So while the people are traveling on the way itself, they should read about what it is advertised. So it should be readable text and brief and catchy description and benefits about the product. Catchy description, one slogan should be written there. Okay, if you are advertising for a mobile phone, you can write connecting people, like that. One catchy slogan you can give. One catchy slogan should be given. Then use borders and lines to organize the outside border. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so what are the things should be kept in mind? See, first you can draw a box. If the rectangular or square box is drawn, at the top you can write the name of the shop or the product, brand, outlet you can write. Down to that you can give an area for the address to contact. Okay, our website address, everything will be written down, and the details about the products can be given. A related picture should be drawn, and the text should be readable. Okay, colorful and readable text you have to give, and you have to highlight the target demographics, that whom you are targeting through this advertisement. It should be highlighted, and to attract the people you should give some that feel good discounts and offers. Okay, related picture. If you are drawing an advertisement for this mobile phones, you can draw a mobile phone. Okay, see, sometimes you may be that drawing, you are writing a advertisement for furniture. Okay, furniture shop means if you are not able to draw any furniture, better you can go for drawing a gift box. Anyway, one picture should be there, that will always keep in mind. Okay, so the outline will be counted, and the title is there, then the address and the related image, a description about that, as well as a catchy slogan should be written there. Okay, and also you can give the discounts and offers also. Okay, now we can see an example for that. Okay, you can see an example. Now look at the model advertisement given below. Okay, you can see an example. Let me introduce that, how you can write like that. Okay, now see the title, RKP Bookshop. So you can understand that it's an advertisement for bookshop. So that is the product, RKP Bookshop. That is the thing, it is given there. See, you can see the outline. Okay, outline, border lines, like that, it is marked there in your book, in the down, border lines. Okay, you can give border lines for decorating it, and also at the top an area they divided, and it is given for the RKP Bookshop. That is the name of the product. Come down, see that an address is given, main road, Vallam, Tanjavur. There is the address for contact. Okay, so that is the thing. At the top it is given the name, and the down the address is given, and overall the four sides also the borders is given. Okay, ma, got it what I am telling? Yes. Then see, more than 2000 books, that is a description about that, some details that attracting the people about the books, that is more than 2000 books. Okay, and see, you name it, we have got it. So this one, and there is no friend as loyal as a book. These are catchy slogans related to the product you are taking. Okay, so book, about book we are giving a catchy slogan, that is, there is no friend as loyal as a book. It is a catchy slogan related to book. Then you name it, we have got it. That is an advertisement for the shop, for their bookshop, RKP Bookshop. Okay, so these two things, that is catchy slogans attracting the people. Okay, then see, in the box it is given a collection of rare books, story books for children, fiction and non-fiction, bestseller collection, newspapers and magazine, stationery products. These are, see, product description. About it will change according to the product, which product you are going to advertise. About that, the details you have to give in this, like this. Okay, then next, see the offer and discount. What is given there? 10% discount for students. the students is the target audience, so only it is highlighted. The target audience, books usually bought by students, so the target audience is the students, so it is highlighted. And also offers and discount, 10% discount, so two things are together there. 10% discount for students means offer, 10% offer and discount, and the target audience is the students. And then one more thing, catchy phrases is there, all those things. Then appealing visuals, pictures. See, books means bookshop. There are some books they had drawn, as well as they had drawn some pencil, pen, okay, everything related to book only. So bookshop, maybe they are selling that too, so that pictures, okay. So appealing visuals also there. So one more time, have a look children. At the top, the name of the shop is given there, offers and discounts is given there, and also the target audience for the book is the students, and the product description is given there. For every product it will change the product description that you can give, and the catchy phrases means catchy slogan related to that product. What slogan you can write, that one you can write. It should attract the people, it should be attractive, the slogan should be. Then see, appealing visuals, the pictures related to the what product you are advertising, for that a related picture you can draw. As it is, we are advertising for the book, we are drawing the book, okay. Down to that, the address is there, okay. Address for contact, just here the address is there, you can give the contact phone number, web address, website address, okay, whatever it may be, okay. All those things you can give there. And don't forget to draw the outline, okay. These are the things you should be keeping in mind while you are writing an advertisement, okay. It should be very attractive. So the font size, the letters size will be varying. See, RKP bookstore, that is in very big size, I said no, it should be readable. Down to that, more than 2000 big, some more big, then remaining everything very small. 10% is somewhat big in size. Understand children? So the size where it is needed, according to that you have to do it, okay. So prepare an attractive advertisement using the hints given below. Two exercises given there, for your practice you can draw that, okay children. So see, what is it is given there, home appliances RD sale 20 to 50%, special combo offer, Muthuswamy and Co, Raja Street, Ginji, okay. So it is given there, so we can see here, Muthuswamy and Co. It's the title, okay. The shop's name you can give. About home appliances you are giving, so the picture related drawing should be relating the home appliances. RD sale, you can highlight it. So 20 to 50%, that is the offer. Special combo offers also you can give. The address Raja Street, that is given there, down that one you can do. So every details will be given like this. So with this you have to draw the advertisement. And also one more example is given there, Mobile Galaxy smartphones accessories, SIM card recharge, free power banks on mobile purchase, number 1 toll gate, Trichy, okay. So the address is given there, free power bank and mobile phones purchase is given there. There is an offer, okay, that one you have to highlight it. So Mobile Galaxy is the name of the shop. Then smartphones you can draw there, some accessories you can draw, okay, because everything is there in the shop. Everything should be mentioned while you are advertising. Got it children? So this is advertising, a kind of a writing. So for your examination it will be for 5 mark. Prepare an attractive advertisement for the following, like that they will be giving you. So the same way it will be given, okay. One exercise is given there, have you seen down to that, okay. I read this too. In such a way they will give, you have to prepare an advertisement as per the example given above, okay. For RKP bookshop, how they advertise, how the picture is drawn, in such a way you have to draw. So please keep in mind what are the points to be kept in mind. You have to, don't forget to draw the outline, you have to write the title, you have to write the address, product description you have to write, you have to give offers and description, and catchy slogan should be written, and also appealing visuals, some images you have to draw related to that product what you are advertising, okay. got, I think you understand what is advertisement. Okay, hope we can continue the remaining in the next class. About many kinds of writings are there, we can see in the next class. Okay, thank you children.